What's up guys, it's me Geca, and today I'll show you how I created this makeup look. It's my show or go-to show makeup. So if you guys are interested, just keep on watching. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I am here sa Kia Theater. Ito yung backstage, medyo maingay kasi nakasama ko na sa likod. So I'll be singing dito sa All About Love concert. Yung Geca Morales. I'll be performer sa opening number. And so ang ganda kasi ng lighting dito sa backstage. First time ko naman ang ganda-ganda ng lighting ng backstage namin. So naisip ko yung paano yung pag-makeup yung aking show makeup. Paano yung ginagawa kong makeup pag may show. So yun. So I got my equipment over here. So yeah, let's get started.
Okay, so mag-voice over na lang ako dahil napakaingay ng backstage namin. So to start off, I'll be using this foundation. Ito yung Infallible Promatte ng Loreal, and I'll be using this foundation brush to spread it all over my face. So yan, I'll just be doing the swabbing motion, yung dabbing and swiping motion. Now, after the base, magko-conceal naman tayo. Ayan, may mga nagpa-practice sa likod ko. Snabin nyo na sila, mga friends. So, ito, gagawa tayo ng inverted triangle dun sa ating mga dark circles. Tapos, lalagyan ko na din yung aking blemishes para matakpan sila. Now, I will let my concealer set for a while. So, I will now proceed with my kilay. So, for my kilay, I'm using this gel liner from LA Girl. So, kung mapapansin nyo, actually, meron na akong kilay kasi nakagamit na ako ng pencil liner before ako pumunta dito sa Kia Theater. But, mas preferred ko na lagyan siya nitong gel liner kasi mas long-lasting siya, and kahit pagpawisan ako sa stage, hindi siya mabubura dahil kilay is life. Okay, so now I will spread out yung ating concealer kasi tapos na siyang mag-set. For me, yung setting method talaga, mas maganda yung coverage ng concealer if you let it set for a while at hindi mo siya isa-spread agad. So, you can see naman, sobrang covered na yung aking mga blemishes and dark circles. Now, I'll be setting my face with this powder, pressed powder from Maybelline. Itong foundation pressed powder thingy nila. Ayan, after that, let's proceed with the eyes. So, I'm using this dark brown color as my transition color. So, yan yung ilalagay ko sa aking crease for both eyes, syempre, para pantay. Ayan, spread ko lang siya dun sa crease ng aking lids para magkaroon ng effect na malalim. Parang ang lalim ng effect. Parang ang laki-laki ng eyes ko. Ayan. So, after this one, I'll be getting this BYS Eyeshadow Pallete. And I'll be getting tong color black color, this dark color over there. And ilalagay ko siya dun sa outer corner ng aking lids. Actually, yung half lang ng eyelids ko yung lalagyan ko. Di ko muna lalagyan yung inner corner because I will be putting a different color dun sa part na yon. So, yan. Just gonna spread it on the outer corners. And once you're done, I'm getting this Hello Beautiful palette from Careline. And this beautiful yellow color. Ayan, lalagyan natin siya para magkaroon ng konting shimmer and magkaroon ng pop ng color sa ating eyes. So, yan, lalagyan lang natin siya sa inner corner and just keep on blending. Yan, i-blend na natin siya with dun sa transition color natin para maging as one yung ating makeup look. And once you are done, I'll be proceeding with my eyeliner. So, I'm using this eyeliner, Graph Ink Liner from Careline. Super nice itong eyeliner na to kasi sobrang nipis nung line na nagagawa niya. Kaya madaling mag-adjust with your eyeliner and madaling gumawa ng wing. So, yan. I love to add a wing effect kasi mas nagmumukhang mahaba yung lashes mo. So, after that, I'll be doing my favorite part, which is contour. Ayan. Napaka-importante na mag-contour kayo, lalo-lalo na pagka mga ganitong shows or events or mga concert type na mga pupuntahan kasi mabubura talaga lahat yan sa spotlight. Magmumukha talaga kayong flat kapag may spotlight na. Now, for my cheeks, I'll be using itong lip and cheek tint ng Bilena as my base blush. Ayan, ito yung secret ko kung bakit mas pigmented lumalabas yung cheeks ko or yung blush ko dahil nilalagyan ko muna ng gel before I set it with a powder blush. Ayan, yan yung reason why mas naglalast yung blush on throughout the show. And syempre, hindi natin pwedeng kalimutan ng ating palaban na nose line. Ayan, dapat malaking yung ating ilong dito. So, I'm using the same contour powder and spreading it using my fingers. Now, for my lashes, I'll be using this super nipis lang naman na eyelashes. Hindi naman siya bonggang-bonggang super kapal kasi ito lang yung pinaka-bet ko usually kapag may show ako. So, ang ginagamit ko lang pang apply is yung hands ko lang talaga kasi yung iba gumagamit pa ng tweezers pero mas sanay talaga ako na ginagamit yung hands ko in putting on my lashes. So, lalagyan din natin siya ng mascara para dumikit yung totoong lashes natin dun sa falsies and lagyan na din natin yung ating bottom lashes para mas mag-pop yung ating eyes. So, once our mascara is set and dry, pwede na natin lagyan ng color yung ating lower lash line. Gamitin din natin yung same colors na ginamit natin on our lids para mas magkaroon ng pop ng color. There you go. And may pa-Valentine's naman si Mayor. O, diba? Si Tito Jerry yan. Thank you for the flowers, Tito. And now, the last touch. Syempre, once we are done with our eyes, hindi natin pwedeng kalimutan ng ating lips. So, for my lips, I'm using this Colourette liquid lipstick in the shade Reed. It's one of my favorite shades dun sa liquid lipstick lines nila. And yeah, so for my hair, actually, hindi ako mahilig mag-ayos ng buhok ko. Usually, ganito lang yung itsura niya. Hinahayaan ko na siyang maging ganyan. So, highlight naman, using the Hello Beautiful palette pa din ng Careline. Ginagamit ko yung white color and yun yung nilalagay ko na sa mga cheekbones and bridge ng aking nose. And to set yung aking makeup look, ginagamitan ko ng vanilla.co na mist, o itong water mist nila. Ayan, and let's let it dry, and we are done! So this is my finished makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this, and ayan, ito na yung aking usual makeup look na ginagawa tuwing may shows ako and my events. I'll also be putting on the description box lahat ng mga makeups na ginamit ko for this makeup look.
Nababagot na po yung nasa tabi ko kasi magpapa-makeup po siya sa akin. So yeah, that is all guys. Thank you guys for watching this makeup tutorial thingy. Kung may natutunan man kayo sa akin. Don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel. Yan lang kung pansinin nyo yung mga nasa background ko, mga exo po yung mga yan. So yeah, bye! See you guys on my next video.